So good afternoon every student. This is about class 12 standard CBSE mathematics chapter 5 exercise 5.2 exercise 5.2 problems. I am going to discuss the solutions for given as a PDF to you. So please go through the PDF. First of all, please see the textbook also for the questions. Keep the textbook aside and start listening to the video, watching to the video. D by dx of sine of x square plus 5. First you do the derivative of sine is cos x square plus 5. Since we are differentiating with respect to x, but here what is there? X square plus 5. Differentiate that x square plus 5 and multiply. That is only chain rule. So the very first you have to take sine derivative is cos, then x square plus 5 derivative must be multiplied. X square plus 5 derivative is 2x plus 0. So the answer is 2x into cos x square plus 5. Done. Next. Similarly, the next question, derivative of cos of sin x. We know very well cos derivative is minus sine. So minus sine of sin x. Inside one no change. Sin x. So sine will be coming in the chain. And the d by dx of sin x. So minus sine of sin x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. Try to understand what I am doing. Cos derivative is minus sine. Theta. Theta means sin x. Okay. Then sin x derivative must be differentiated and multiplied. Sin x derivative is cos x. So minus sine of sin x into cos x is the required answer. So that is the simplified answer is minus cos x into sine of sin x is the d by dx of cos of sin x. Next question. Third question, try yourself. Fourth question. D by dx of secant theta. I am just taking tan as theta. Then secant theta derivative secant theta tan theta. So then this theta must be differentiated again. That is the chain rule. D by dx of tan root x. D by dx of tan root x. Now this is tan alpha, I take it. Now what is tan theta derivative? Tan derivative of secant square alpha. Secant square alpha. Then secant square alpha. Alpha ka derivative means root x must be multiplied again because it is chain. So root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Like that we have to get once again secant derivative secant tan. This tan root x will be same. No change. Okay. Then d by dx of tan root x in the chain you should multiply. This will be copied as it is. Then tan derivative is secant square root x. Again root x derivative must be multiplied here. Root x derivative is secant root 1 by 2 root x. That is your answer finally copied. Okay. Next. Fifth question, instead of doing by u by v rule not suggestible. The another way is very easiest way because sin by cos means what actually? Sin by cos means tan. So better to do in the second method which I explained in the PDF. Write sin by cos as tan ax plus b. Tan theta derivative is secant square theta. And this derivative ax plus b derivative must be multiplied. That is chain rule. D by dx of ax plus b is a. Because ax derivative is a, b derivative is 0. No need to write. So this is the answer, right? So this is the very easiest way for the doing this fifth question. Next, sixth question. UV rule must be applied here. D by dx of cos x cube is u. Sin square x power 5 is v. So you apply the rule u dash v plus uv dash. U dash v plus uv dash. So first u dash. This is d by dx of cos x cube. V is as it is. Uv dash. Cos x cube into d by dx of sin square x power 5. So how to derivate it? Look. Cos x cube derivative. First cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Then theta ka derivative means x cube derivative must be multiplied. This one copy as it is. Cos x cube copy as it is. Then sin square theta derivative is sin square x derivative is 2 sin x it is. Okay, 2 sin because x square derivative 2x like that only you can take. Okay. So now this one is cos x cube derivative. I did it sin square. This is copied as it is. This copied as it is. Sin square derivative is 2 sin x power 5 into sin x power 5 derivative. Sin x power 5 derivative because it is some sin x power 5 whole square is sin x power 5. Wait a minute. Whole square it is. So whole square means x square derivative 2x like that only we have to do 2 sin x power 5 into sin x power 5 derivative. So sin x power 5 derivative we have to do now. This is copy this sin minus sin x cube. The x cube derivative 3x square. This copy as it is cos x cube. Then cos x cube as it is. Wait a minute. Cos x cube copied. Then 2 sin x power 5 is here. Sin derivative is here. Sin derivative is cos x power 5 into x power 5 derivative. So similar way you can do it chain rule. The answer will be done like this. Finally simplified answer you write down, you will get the required answer. Okay, next thing is 7th question. D by dx of 2 root cot x square. First 2 is keep as it is, constant it is, root derivative is 1 by 2. Root derivative is 1 by 2 root, na? So like that 1 by 2 root cot x square you write, but in the chain cot x square must be multiplied. In derivative of cot x square must be multiplied. So 2 gets cancelled. Then you get in the next page 1 by root cot x square. Cot derivative is minus cosecant square. Then x square derivative must be multiplied. So x square derivative is 2x. That is chain rule. Hence done. 8th question, try yourself. 9th question, it was explained in the previous session. X is equal to 1. How to find out the derivative of f of x is equal to mod x minus 1? Is it differentiable or not? They are asking us to prove mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Let us find out left hand derivative, because modulus function is continuous everywhere, so we have to check differentiability only. Left hand derivative formula write down, just simplify it, you get the answer. Okay, formula is very important. Similarly right hand derivative also you do it. Left hand derivative minus 1, right hand derivative plus 1 will come. Once they are not equal, it is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Similarly modulus greatest integer function also I was explained in the last video. Please try to understand, because greatest integer function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. When the function is not continuous at x is at any point, it is not differentiable however. Okay, so here that's why we are finding left hand limit and right hand limit. Find out the left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit and right hand limit of greatest integer function at x is equal to 1 is not equal. When they are not equal, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Hence the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Similarly you can do other part of the question, which is at x is equal to 2, you should prove that given function is not differentiable, right? Greatest integer function. This one also explained in the last session. Thank you very much everyone. Hope you understood everything. So keep watching it. Stay home, stay safe. All the very best. Do work hard. Thank you very much.